Talking Tim, and do the review of the Beretta M9. Please excuse this no clip. Someone lost it. You can see. I really like this gun. I got it from Walmart for 20 bucks. It has really nice feeling, plastic, so it's lightweighted. Very light, easy trigger pulling, and cocks very easily. I like how it does that. Just be careful when you cock it. Don't cock like that, or else you can get your fingers stuck in that, and that will not be good. That already happened to me. But you can just shoot pretty far. It has a working hammer. It hurts very fast, and yeah, I mean that's all I gotta say about this gun. I mean, it has a fake rail, fires safe and safety. And yeah, I mean, pretty good gun. If you're interested in buying this, please go to Walmart as closest to you and go buy it for 20 bucks. Like, comment, subscribe, rate, peace.